Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will learn about the basic CLI commands of Linux. So let me just open up the terminal first and maximize, uh, zoom in a little bit. Okay, this is good. Okay, so our first command is pwd. So the full form of pwd is print working directory. So this command prints the working directory into our terminal. So if I press enter, so this is our current working directory. So the working directory is the directory in which we are present in at this instant. Our second command is ls lists the subdirectories and files present in a particular directory. So if I press enter, this has printed the files and directories. The blue ones are the directories and the white one is the file. Okay, so let me just quickly remove this 1.txt. I will explain about this command later. Okay, so ls yes. Okay, so 1.txt is removed. So uh, our next command is cd. Cd means change directory, and it is self-explanatory that it changes the directory. Suppose if I want to go in the downloads directory, so I will write cd downloads and I'll press enter. So now we are in the downloads directory. Okay, so what to do if you want to go in the parent directory of downloads, which is vbox user? So you have to type cd space dot dot and you have to press enter, and we are in the parent directory of the downloads, which is the vbox user. Our third command is touch. So touch command creates a new file. The one and only argument is the name of the file you want to create. Okay, so I want to create 1.txt. .txt is the extension of the file. Okay, and I will press enter and I will type ls, and you can see 1.txt is created. So in the same way, I can create a 2.txt, and yes. Okay, let me hide this. Yes, list the directories, and yes, you can see 1.txt is present, 2.txt is present. Our next command is mkdir. Mkdir command creates a subdirectory in the working directory. Okay, so I want to create a directory named a3. Okay, my name is a3, so I want to create a directory named a3. If I want to create a directory named a3, so I have to write mkdir a3. Okay, and I will press enter, and I will type ls and press enter, and as you can see a3 directory is present here, and it was not present before. Next command is rmdir. Rm means remove and dir means directory. So rmdir a3 removes the directory named a3, and as you can see a3 directory is removed. If I want to add content in 1.txt, so I have to write vi 1.txt. Vi is a text editor which comes in Linux. There is a GUI way also, but we are learning CLI, so we will add content using CLI only. If I press enter, so here is a VI editor. First of all, press I. I means insert. Here we are in insert mode, and we can write here. Hi, this is my Linux CLI tutorial. Okay, I typed this. So if I want to save this, I have to press escape to exit from insert mode. Then I have to write colon WQ. W means write, Q means quit. This command writes this content into 1.txt and quits the Vim editor. And if I press enter, and here we are. Our next command is cat. So cat does nothing but displays the content of the file mentioned. So as you can see, it has printed to the in the terminal. Next command is cp. Let me make a directory named this. Okay, and yes, we have directory named this. The next command is cp. Before that, let me show you cd this ls. So as you can see, there are no files in this folder, and cd dot dot, and if I run cp1.txt and this. CP is the name of command, which is copy. The first argument 1.txt is the file you want to copy, and the second argument is the directory in which you want to copy this file. And if I press enter, this is copied to the directory named this. And let me um, do this, and you can see there is one.txt in this, and cd dot dot. The one.txt is here also and here also. So copies the file, you can understand. And the same way move 2.txt to this, and as you can see, one 2.txt is gone from here, and the 2.txt has appeared here. So I am editing this video right now, and I have realized that I have completely forgotten to explain rm command in this video, which I promised to explain earlier, but I have completely missed that. So I will add that explanation of rm command after this clip. Let me quickly explain you the rm command. So before that, let me see if there are any files which I can delete. No, there are no files which I can delete. So let me just create a file which I can delete. Yes, I have created the file. Okay, so I will type rm3.txt, and it does nothing but deletes this file. And as you can see, this file has gone. Our next command is top. So top command lists the processes ongoing and the amount of resources it consumes, and it is just like the task manager in Windows. So to exit from this, you have to press Ctrl plus C, and here you go. We are exited from here. And our next and the last command is free. So free lists the memory, like the total memory, the used memory, the free memory, and some other stuff. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and share this video, and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next tutorial. Till then, bye.